This is the ultimate guide to resolving Minecraft worlds that have become disfigured following a Bedrock to Java conversion. I understand the frustration of encountering a corrupted save after investing countless hours, and after extensive personal testing, I've identified several effective solutions to bring your world back from the brink. Method 1 focuses on targeted file management. By locating your world save folder and creating a crucial backup, we can then identify and delete specifically corrupted region files. The game will then rebuild these missing data segments, often restoring the world's integrity. If this doesn't fully resolve the issue, method 2 involves utilizing dedicated world repair tools. These programs are designed to scan for and mend common data inconsistencies within the save files, effectively patching up the damage caused by the conversion process. They work by analyzing the file structure and correcting logical errors that prevent the game from loading properly. Method 3 delves into manual file editing and conversion. Using a world file editor, we can load the Bedrock world data, perform the conversion to Java, and then meticulously fix any block or entity data errors that the automated conversion missed, ensuring every detail is accounted for. This method offers granular control over the restoration. Finally, method 4 is a data recovery approach. If the corruption is severe or files are lost, specialized software can scan for and recover previous world backups that might have been overwritten or deleted during the conversion attempt, providing a safety net for your progress. Each method addresses different facets of the corruption, from simple data rebuilding to complex file reconstruction, ensuring you have multiple avenues to explore for a successful world restoration.